Hey everyone, today we're talking about something super important, how our diet can help keep our kidneys healthy. What's a renal diet? A renal diet is a special eating plan for people with kidney issues, or those at risk. It helps to manage certain nutrients to keep the kidneys safe from more damage. Why is a kidney-friendly diet important? Our kidneys work hard to clean our blood and control our blood pressure. Eating too much salt, potassium, phosphorus, and protein can make their job harder. So, a diet that's good for your kidneys isn't just nice to have, it's a must. How does what we eat affect our kidneys? Some foods can harm our kidneys. For example, too much salt can raise our blood pressure and damage our kidneys. It's super important to be aware of what we eat to keep our kidneys healthy. Common kidney problems and why they happen. Let's quickly talk about some common kidney issues. Chronic kidney disease. This happens over time and can be caused by high blood pressure, diabetes, and some medicines. Kidney stones. These are hard deposits that form in the kidneys and can cause a lot of pain. Kidney infections. These happen when bacteria get into the kidneys. What's in a plant-based renal diet? A kidney-friendly diet focuses on more of fruits, vegetables, grains, and beans, less of meat and some high-potassium foods. This kind of diet is full of good stuff like vitamins and antioxidants that help our kidneys stay healthy. Best veggies for your kidneys. Want to know which veggies are great for your kidneys? Leafy greens. Like kale and spinach, they have low potassium and lots of good stuff. Other good choices: cauliflower, peppers, and cabbage. They add flavor and nutrition to our meals without harming our kidneys. Tasty and healthy kidney-friendly recipes. Guess what? Eating for your kidneys doesn't mean boring meals. With some creativity, we can cook tasty dishes that are good for our kidneys too. Choosing the right protein for kidney health. Protein is important, but if you have kidney problems, it's important to pick the right kind. Good choices: lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. They have less phosphorus and potassium than meat. Drinks to choose and avoid for kidney health. Water is the best drink for our kidneys. But some drinks like sodas and energy drinks can cause kidney stones and raise blood pressure. So, it's best to drink water, herbal teas, and fresh juices. Tips for eating out on a kidney-friendly diet. Eating out can be tough with a kidney diet, but it's doable. Look for places where you can customize your meal. Avoid high salt and high potassium foods, and don't be shy to ask the waiter for changes to fit your diet. Planning meals for a kidney diet. Planning meals ahead of time is a big help for a kidney diet. Try to eat a mix of fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins to keep your meals balanced and good for your kidneys. Yummy snacks and desserts for kidney health. Yes, you can still enjoy snacks and desserts. Think about fruit salads, yogurt with low-potassium fruits, and homemade popsicles made with kidney-friendly ingredients. Supplements and medicines in a kidney diet. Sometimes, you might need supplements or medicines to help your kidneys work better. But, always check with a doctor first because some can harm your kidneys. Managing other health issues with a kidney diet. Lots of people with kidney issues also have other health problems like diabetes and high blood pressure. A kidney diet can help manage these too. Success stories with kidney diet. Many people have improved their kidney health and life quality with a kidney diet. Let's hear some inspiring stories from people who've made this diet work for them. Common myths about kidney diet. Some people think a kidney diet is boring or too strict, but with the right help, it can be tasty and satisfying. Tips to stay motivated on a kidney diet. Staying on a kidney diet can be hard, but setting small goals, celebrating wins, and getting support can keep you on track. What to expect when seeing a kidney diet expert. If you're new to the kidney diet or finding it hard, seeing a dietitian who specializes in kidney diets can be really helpful. They can give personalized advice, help with meal planning, and offer ongoing support to make the diet work for you.